This training module is for the PowerLogic PM750 power meter. Here we see the PM750 power meter. It's on the summary 3-phase page. The PowerLogic PM750 meter is intended for measuring the consumption of power for the purpose of billing your tenant's power usage. Other types of meters are available for power quality analysis and power monitoring. The meter comes fully assembled and it's installed by a qualified electrician with voltage sensors on your power lines and amp sensors for current. All the connections are made inside the electrical panel. They do not need to be handled by the user of the meter. These are live 240 volt or 40 volt connections in a sealed electrical panel, and they should remain undisturbed. The first step in using the meter is to approach the meter and observe the green LCD display. Note there are a series of 4 buttons on the bottom of the display. These buttons are used to navigate the information contained in the meter. The rightmost button is the menu key, and it also serves a function as an enter key. The button to the left is used as an up arrow key to enter certain values. These other 2 buttons are used to display messages such as volts and amps. By advancing the menus to the maintenance button, we can actually select a menu called Info. This shows us the serial number of the meter. This is important if you're going to coordinate the meter serial numbers with your tenant billing records. At the top is the model number and the software burned into the firmware chips of the meter. Here's the setup button. The password for setting up the meter is the number 0. By pushing the enter key, it gets you into the setup mode. All of these features are already programmed on your meters, so you shouldn't need to utilize them. This is the escape key. When you're at the main screen, you'll see that the word Summary 3-phase appears. This is the top level screen of the meter, and it's where you can see the voltage, the amps, the current kilowatt draw, and the kilowatt hours. A kilowatt is 1,000 watts. As an example, if you had a hair dryer turned on that was a 1,000 watt hair dryer, that would be 1 kilowatt. Also, a 1,000 watt microwave running full power would be 1,000 watts or 1 kilowatt. The value below it is called kilowatt hours. This is the energy usage over time. Most residential customers are billed on kilowatt hours. Some commercial accounts may be charged an additional fee called a demand fee for the number of kilowatts they've consumed at a peak value during the day. It's essentially the power company's need to charge you for the amount of power they provide you at the pole. Normally, residences don't have to concern themselves with demand charges. Once you've been successful at having your meter installed and programmed, it won't need any additional service on your part. If you would like to use the meter for data logging, it can be connected to a computer, and there's a communication port inside the meter that will communicate back to power monitoring software for you. If you wanted to investigate a minimum or a maximum value, the meter will keep track of min-max values on this menu called Min-Max Summary. If you're on the main screen, you'll see the min-max value here on the second button from the left. So you can click min-max, and you'll notice that it displays the maximum values that the meter is seeing. This value here is current, shown as I max, which is induction maximum value. Inductance is also the amperage that the meter has seen. So over here, there's the letter C, indicating current, and here it says current maximum. The letter I is synonymous with amps or current. And that concludes our training on the PowerLogic 750 meter. To test yourself to see how you've learned the information, go to a meter and try to find the summary three-phase menu using these arrow keys here, and then write down the kilowatt hours that you see on the bottom row. Thank you for looking at the PM750 meter.